Hello everyone, welcome to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite salad, which is a Greek salad. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. Over here I have a feta chunk, which is the same thing as crumbled feta cheese. It's just in one big chunk. So I'm going to be using about 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese. So I'm going to crumble this up and I'll be using about a cup. I'm going to use 1 cup of grape tomatoes, 2 heads of romaine lettuce. I'm going to use half of a medium red onion, 1 large cucumber, some Kalamata olives. You can use regular black olives. If you don't have Kalamata, sometimes I do use regular black olives. And then for the dressing, I'm going to be using some oregano, salt, and pepper. So about 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm going to use 2 garlic cloves, half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing so I can just set it aside. So I have my lemon juice. I'm adding my 2 garlic cloves, 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined and then just set this aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my lettuce. So I took apart the leaves so that I can wash each one individually to make sure it's completely clean. So now I'm just cutting the lettuce, and then once I cut the lettuce, I'll be cutting my red onion and also my cucumber, and then I'll show you how I put everything together. All right, so in my salad bowl here, I already have my lettuce and cucumbers. I'm adding the red onions, grape tomatoes, and the Kalamata olives. I am adding the dressing. Before adding the dressing, you want to make sure that you mix it one more time to make sure the olive oil is not separated. And then I also am only using half of the dressing. So if you want to make just half of the amount of dressing from the get-go, then go ahead and do that. But if you would like to have a little extra dressing to have in your fridge for another day, then make the full amount. So the best part, I added some feta cheese, and now this Greek salad is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.